Hello everybody, Jeremy Latham, the hip surgeon here. I thought I'd go back to my traditional video format in my little home studio here. Just to give you an update, it's the 18th of June. I've started doing some clinics at the Wessex Nuffield Hospital. We are enacting social distance measures and of course infection control procedures. It does mean that everything's slowed down a little bit compared with before. I'm leaving a lot more time between patients in order that the room can be cleaned, the air can turn over, and of course that minimises the risks to you as the patient. I know that many of you are concerned about coming into hospital because of the risk of COVID. We're hoping that there won't be a second spike, but of course if we look at the news in the last few days, many countries have had second spikes of infection, and I'm sure we are going to get that. Hopefully it won't be as bad as the first time round, but of course nobody really knows. What we do know, of course, is that there's a much greater emphasis now on testing people. I have a test every week. I've had one today. You will be tested as well if you come in for surgery. We screen everybody at the door. We ask them questions about whether they've had any symptoms of COVID, and we check their temperature as well. Everybody has to wear a mask. No one is immune from that. And you'll notice a very different atmosphere in the Nuffield. Instead of being a very busy place like it was, say, in February, it's much calmer now. Traffic flows of patients have been changed completely, and everybody's very focused on minimising the risk to you. I'm doing my first case on Monday. This is an urgent case of someone with a very bad hip that we're going to do with my usual team of Dr. Platt, Mark Platt, my anaesthetist, and Martin Asbridge, my assistant. So we're very much focused on getting back into a safe routine of surgery again. Of course, our workflows are going to be very different. We're going to do far fewer cases, again, because of infection control procedures, and the volume of cases we'll get through will be far less. We're going to test the water very carefully, so we're going to build up very slowly to make sure that all of our process and the workflow is safe and that everybody's happy doing surgery again. Of course, we haven't done any surgery for the last 3 months, and we're all feeling a little bit anxious about it. And I certainly am feeling anxious. When I've been on holiday, I know that I have to take more care to concentrate on what I'm doing. But I think within a case or two, we're going to be back up to speed again. I've done thousands of hip replacements over the years, and I hope that my psychomotor skills are finally honed. But of course, no one underestimates the challenge of working in this new environment. So I hope that that reassures you to a certain extent. We are very much focused on your safety, getting back to doing the cases that we want to do to make people free of pain and get them back on their feet again. If you've got any questions or comments, please get in touch. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'm also putting stuff on Facebook as well, and we'll do some live streaming. So if you'd like me to host a question and answer session for you, please get in touch. The details will follow at the end of this. Phone the office. Anne and Tracy are there every day. My email address, of course, is something I monitor and respond to very quickly. Have a look at the website as well. There's lots of information on there. Hope you're all staying safe and well. It's good to see that lockdown is slowly being released and people are getting back to more normal activities. It's still a fairly hostile world out there though, so please take care. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Latham. I'm the hip surgeon.